Lucky girl syndrome, but we make our own luck. It's really good because I have seen some of the stupidest people. Lucky girl syndrome, but we make our own luck. I love Harvey Specter. मैं फिर से Suits देख रही हूँ by the way because I cannot get myself to watch any show except Suits. Okay, ingredients: a scissor, glue stick, all your dreams and goals printed out on paper, and chart paper. Your mind, your brain juices. That is most important. I told you, I need you like now. I've been making vision boards since I was literally 10 years old when I didn't even know what a vision board was. And मैं पता है कैसे goals डालती थी because at that time Sundar Pichai had just become CEO of Google. I put Sundar Pichai's picture on my vision board thinking I will become CEO of Google. Of course, I'm not saying that that's not possible, but the point is that's not what 10-year-old Avshi should have been dreaming about for the next year. I think vision boards can kind of bait you into falling for all these really big aspirational things that cannot be your center of focus for the duration of just 1 year. Like right now, there are so many things that I want to do on that I could achieve if I were focusing on them individually, but realistically, I cannot focus on all of them. So I will not be able to achieve all of them. So be realistic about the resources you have, the time that you have, and what you can actually accomplish in 1 year with that. Be delusionally optimistic, but focus on the 2 or 3 key areas where you're going to be delusionally optimistic. Honestly, it's so crazy that 2 years ago, जब मैं अपना vision board बना रही थी, I had put IPM and getting into IPM and getting into one of the IIMs on my vision board, and I'm sitting here now recording my next vision board in an IIM. That's actually crazy. Though I might not have gotten into the best one, but मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता अब अगर लोग मेरी competency judge करने की कोशिश करते हैं based on the college I'm in, because I have seen some of the stupidest people who do not deserve to be the top colleges get into the best colleges of the country. So the picture finding has to obviously be done on Pinterest, where I have begun to live again. It's like social media without the social. It's beautiful. So before all of that, actually, I wrote down all of my 2025. So firstly, what we're gonna do is write our 2026 goals. Big goals, like ambitious goals, but that are achievable with very direct steps. So keeping it simple, not overcomplicating things just because people on social media make goals about their whole life and they want to do fitness also. They gym every day, hustle and start their business. They want to study also, they want to do everything. Does not mean that you might be able to do that. If you take on too much and you can't do the most important thing for you, then फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता if you're doing all of these other things. Focus on what is most important and what you can actually realistically do on the day-to-day basis. I was like, I'll do this also, I'll do that also, but then I realized if I overcomplicate it too much, I will get way too overwhelmed and I won't do anything. I won't be able to do any of the things properly. Then finding the pictures. So I've been saying this for years, but always find pictures जहाँ पे you can see yourself. So if you are an Indian girl, do not put a picture of a blonde American woman doing something that you want to do because you can't see yourself in that. So either put people you can relate to or AI, literally chat GPT yourself into pictures. Just use pictures of like things that would be from your POV in the picture, like you are looking at something and that is the picture, These things actually matter because then you can look at it and visualize it, and I swear to God it comes true. Like for me, one of the biggest things was that I wanted to make a planner for 2026 and I did that. I was very clear that I wanted something very clean, minimalistic. I wanted it to be very like functional and not just one of those drama wale planners जिसमें बहुत सारे pages होते हैं. You could keep filling your pages about how many liters of water you had in a day, but that is not getting you closer to your goals. And realistically, if you are at least busy like me, you do not have time to sit down and fill hundreds of pages for every single month. 2026 planner is going to be 35% off. So what are you waiting for? Go and get it. This offer is only valid till New Year's Eve. Till then, you can go and buy it. Sorted our pictures and we have printed them out. It is time to cut and paste. But it is not as simple as it seems because इसमें भी strategy है. Music. I love this song. When you're under control. मैंने फाइनली 11 पेजेस के फोटोज काट दिए हैं एंड लेट्स नॉट लुक एट द मेस दैट आई हैव मेड इन माय रूम. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू पेस्ट. आई एम सो एक्साइटेड. सो कहाँ गया पेपर? This is the paper that I have already crushed a little bit. So what we're going to be doing is in the center we're going to be putting the 2026 vision board wala thing. I mean, you don't have to put this, but I did print one picture which said 2026 vision board, which is purely for aesthetic purposes. So what I'm going to do is, like, I will arrange everything on the chart paper and then I will paste it because I want it to look very organized. This will be coming in the center. I also have a lot of these like little quotes and stuff. Yeah, I'm putting bombshell on my vision board because that's what we aspire to be. I love this quote so much. Like this, I want to remember this. I want this to be right in front of my eyes all year long. It says, to attract better, you have to become better. You can't do the same things and expect change. You have to get comfortable with change and with things not working out and having to change things and having to transform yourself and not taking it personally कि कुछ नहीं चला and मुझे अपने आप को बदलना पड़ेगा. Like that does not mean that I am not like a worthy, smart, competent person, you know. So one more thing that a lot of people are confused about is, should I show my vision board to people or not? Should I put it up in my room where my family and friends can see it? I'll tell you, as someone who has been a goal gatekeeper as well as now someone who really does not care that much, nazar only affects you if you are mentally weak. And I don't mean this in an insulting way. Like, it's completely okay to be in a weak position at a particular point in time, and I have been in that position for most of my teenage years. Matlab, I've had like really bad mental health, especially in the recent years. Like, I can't even explain it to you. On times mein, the way nazar manifests is the slightest comment about what you're doing or negativity from other people can really get to you and distort what you're doing. But I firmly believe, because I have experienced, that if you are focused, if you are mentally resilient and you persevere through things, then nobody's negativity can get to you in any crazy impactful way. Like, if consistently challenges are thrown at you in life and the universe is testing you all the time, but you keep passing these challenges, then what are you afraid of? There is nothing left to be afraid of. And another part of this is not seeing success and failure as a very personal thing. If something works out for you outside, then that's great. You applied a process, you were lucky, and all the combination of these things worked. If something did not work out, either maybe the luck was off or you need to change the process. It's not personal.
Aim for the moon, but closer wala moon. Happening. This is 2026 planner, 2026 vision board.
Yes.
Hi guys.
Dia is my salesperson.
Yeah, marketing and sales guys. I am Jammu. 2026 planner. 35% off. Yay!
If you want to achieve all of your 2026 goals, and I know you will, subscribe to stick around because we're a highly ambitious community and we're here to support each other. Happy New Year!